Hey, welcome back everyone. It's Team Irvin here. Welcome to our Forex Trading 101 that I'm gonna be doing with you guys. Today's pair that I chose for this week, guys, is gonna be EURUSD. I just want to let you know, everybody, guys, EURUSD is forming a very healthy bullish trend. If you don't catch this bullish trend, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. But remember, I'm not giving you any signal like that, but let me break it down with you. So the goal here, guys, to pay attention between 4 hours and 5 minutes. Everything is showing us the market is already forming a very nice bullish trend. So don't forget the original trend here, still bearish. Here's your multiple time frame. Here's our TWE showing us the market still trending down. So here's the stairs. Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. So the market here is clearly coming down. But pay close attention to what I'm gonna say right here, guys. What I'm seeing here, guys, is the multiple time frame is giving us already an indication that we are gonna be bullish this coming month of May. So here we are. So market is already forming this bullish trend. So be ready. So all we are waiting here, guys, to fully be on that bullish trend is we are waiting on our TWE sniper entry to show up in here, and guess what? Once it's in there, boom, market will be giving us hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pip trading here on the market. All right, guys, so that's all I have. I want to keep this video short and sweet, and so we're gonna do a Zoom call. If you guys want to get in touch with me, the link is out on the description of this video. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching our TWE Forex system. Let's go, guys. So thank you again. Okay, God bless you, God bless the world, and God bless your family, and God bless Ukraine. So peace out, bye bye, hasta la vista.